Let's do a tiny house. I want to do a tiny suburban home, and I want to fuck it up.
The only 3 options it's giving to me is the farmhouse, the high school, or the asylum.
Of course.
And the farmhouse is professional.
Let's do professional farmhouse then.
Farmhouse professional. Wait.
What?
Wait. Hold on.
What? All right, are you ready?
Yes.
You said wait, and I didn't hear you say anything else. You douche.
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 The douche. The douche.
Put it all in here. Jesus fucking Christ.
We're going upstairs, Doogie. Oh, you fucking idiot. Anybody picking up anything yet?
All I'm doing is picking up this fat cock from the ground that I'm dragging behind me.
Sorry.
I'm not that far behind you. Where's the breaker?
I don't know. Isn't it under the stairs?
I
It's
don't
in
know.
the back room. I already got it.
Oh, okay.
Then why the fuck are the lights out still, asshole?
You haven't turned them on using your big ass fucking dick.
that's how I turn on every light. I just pop up my cock.
Upstairs bedroom. Freezing temp.
All right.
God damn it,
What
Doogie.
you've done is a bad thing.
Bad dude.
Alright, well, fuck.
Where the
now
fuck
we
did
gotta
Doogie go?
Oh,
Doogie!
good.
Doogie, are you okay?
As soon as I got to like right here is when I saw freezing breath.
Nobody cares.
First time. Come on, you don't mean that.
You're right, I'm sorry, boo.
We got ghost rating.
Oh!
Oh, how fucking convenient that you did find the room. That's cool. Whatever.
Oh, look at that. They wrote out a bunch of fucking weird ass symbols like a basic bitch in art class. Tell me what your zodiac sign is? Is that what you're about to do? You
Yo, I'm such a Gemini. It's either a demon or a Yuri. So we've got either ghost orbs or the spirit box. How old are you? Yep, there we go. We got it.
Oh, there it is.
Adults.
Yep.
And it's not
Everybody
stopping.
out. All right. Well, we're leaving. It's fine.
Peace out, James Robinson. You can go fuck yourself.
It's okay.
You son of a bitch.
Hey, that was really fucking funny. That was fucking hysterical. So we gotta smudge it, and we gotta get a picture.
It's a demon too.
Don't light
Jesus.
Demons means it'll just attack at any fucking time. Everyone do recreational drugs.
I got a smudge stick. Ah, smudge it. Smudge it. Lighten the smudge stick. Smudge.
Schmidge smudge. Demon! I command you to show yourself.
Jesus Christ. Did anybody bring a crucifix?
Are we crucifying ourselves?
I think we might be. How'd that dig do? Oh!
Oh!
It just fucking made a noise in my ear.
You just fucking run in immediately and cleose the door? You asshole! You scumbag! You're a piece of shit!
It's a reflex.
You fucking closed the door on the rest of us.
God damn.
Got in there immediately.
I will survive at any cost.
James Robinson. This prick standing in front of me wants to die.
Would you like to show yourself to us?
Would you like to see our wieners?
Oh shit, it turned the light on here.
Look at Doogie just hiding in the corner over there. James Robinson, can you show yourself?
Jimmy boy!
Ah, there he is! Corner!
Oh,
Corner!
I just got a picture.
Oh, he's going after Doogie.
No, Doogie.
Doogie, no!
No, he's good.
Ghost.
All right, we're good. Let's get the fuck out. I wonder who's gonna shut the door on the way out.
Oh shit!
shit,
Fucking open it.
The demon did!
Oh,
The
no.
demon did!
Oh no! Go.
Get in here. Shut the door.
Close the door.
I'm gonna shut this door.
There's 2 doors.
Close the other doors.
I got it.
Close this door. Close it. All right.
Wait.
Hey, you
fucking
asshole!
Where's Doogie? Doogie, come on! Doogie, get your ass in here!
Doogie, no! Doogie, no!
Okay, cool. Lights out.
Lights off.
All right. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut up. Shh. Shut up. Shut the fuck up.
Come in here.
We're good. We're good.
Fucking Doogie. Shut the
Get
fuck
out,
up, Doogie.
get out, get out.
Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out.
The fucking demon's like, you know who's gonna shut the door? It's gonna be fucking me.
Yep.
I know. I thought for sure. Like, I thought for sure it was you again. I was like,
You
alright,
fucking
fucking
idiot.
asshole.
Son of a bitch. Oh shit. At least you're consistent with being an asshole. Fuck me. $240.
I wonder who's gonna shut the door. Clunk.
Clunk. Ah. Fucking James Robinson. Had that last fucking joke.
I don't mean to close you out every time I run. It's just a reflex.
That's fucking reflexes.
Quickly get in here. Oh, you fucking asshole.
You cocksucker.